Hello. A quick tip about grass for those who don't already know about it and have had to sadly watch it die off over the summer. Now, the grass on this property is probably about 60 years old and is looking pretty tired. It really makes the garden look awful in summer, and I needed to do something about that. So on one of my many trips to Bunnings, I came across Walter Bufallo squares, or rectangles I think they are, 1 metre by something. You basically pick them up, bring them home, plop them down, water them in over a couple of days, and gradually it takes over. It is really soft, really super resilient, and works everywhere. So you will have lovely green lush grass in summer, which I am loving. See you next time. Bye.